What's up everyone? Welcome to my new video, and this is about how to customize your ringtone in 3 easy steps for iOS. All you need is these apps: YouTube, Media Converter, and GarageBand. But before that, if you're new to my channel, you might want to hit the subscribe button for videos about teeth, guitar, big bike, pranks, travel, and everything under the sun. So if you're ready, let's kick things off. Step 1. Open your YouTube app and screen record your favorite song. You could either record the whole song and trim it later, or you could just select the part you love. Just like this one. So once you're done choosing, go to the second step. Make sure you have the Media Converter app, and if you don't, go to the App Store and download it. And yes, it's free! Open the app and click Convert Video. Now you may choose the file on your phone album and make sure the output format is set to AVI or AVI. Start the conversion. And now you may click the converted file and choose the Make Ringtone option. You can also choose how long you want your ringtone will be. The max for ringtone is 30 seconds. Save it to your files and open your GarageBand app. Now choose the audio recorder option. Make sure to turn off the metronome icon before starting. Select your clip under My Songs. Here, you can edit the clip, and once you're done, click the My Songs icon again. It should bring you to the file, and then click Share Song as Ringtone. After exporting, you may use it now as your new tone. It's that easy! Now let's hear it! There you go, and hope you enjoy your favorite songs as your iPhone tones. Shout out to all ones and blinks out there. Peace!